Have you ever wondered, what happens when the most intelligent bird faces a puzzle even humans struggle to solve? Meet the raven, a creature so clever, it might just change the way you think about animal intelligence forever. Today, we dive deep into the mysterious world of ravens, the black-winged geniuses of the sky. Ravens aren't just ordinary birds. They belong to the corvid family, relatives of crows, magpies, and jays, widely recognized as the Einsteins of the avian world. Scientists have discovered that ravens can plan for the future, use tools, and even understand cause and effect, abilities once thought to be uniquely human. In one experiment, a raven faced a locked food box. The key? A pebble that had to be dropped into a narrow tube to raise the platform and release the treat. The raven studied the setup, tilted its head, and solved it on the first try. That's not instinct, that's reasoning. Ravens are among the few non-human species that consistently use tools. In the wild, they bend twigs into hooks to pull insects out of crevices. They even drop nuts onto roads so that cars can crack them open, then wait for traffic lights to change before retrieving their prize. Their intelligence doesn't stop there. Ravens have shown the ability to solve multi-step problems, where one action triggers another. In one famous study, a raven had to pull a string to get a stick, use the stick to reach a rock, and then use the rock to open a food box. It succeeded, displaying sequential logic, the kind of reasoning comparable to a 5-year-old child. But ravens' greatest strength might not just be their puzzle-solving ability, it's their social intelligence. In the wild, ravens live in complex social groups where strategy and deception are key to survival. They remember faces, both human and raven, and can hold grudges for years. If a raven hides food and notices another watching, it will pretend to hide it somewhere else, then secretly stash it later. That's not just intelligence, that's theory of mind, understanding that others have thoughts and intentions. Even more fascinating, they use gestures. Ravens have been seen pointing with their beaks, showing objects to one another, something previously only observed in humans and great apes. If you watch ravens long enough, you'll notice something magical. They play. They slide down snowy roofs, roll midair, and even play games with wolves. Why would a wild animal waste energy like that? Because play fuels creativity and intelligence. It's the brain's way of experimenting with the world. In one Arctic study, researchers observed ravens deliberately provoking wolves to chase them, only to swoop out of reach at the last second, croaking loudly as if laughing. This behavior isn't random. It's a sign of advanced cognition and perhaps even emotion. Ravens have a language all their own. They can produce more than 30 distinct calls, from alarm cries to invitation calls, and even modify their tone depending on context. Some scientists believe ravens can imitate human speech not just by mimicry, but by understanding emotional cues. When raised with humans, ravens have been known to call their owners by unique names or replicate familiar sounds, like doors creaking or laughter. In nature, they use call combinations to share information, such as warning others about predators or signaling a new food source. It's not just communication, it's symbolic intelligence. In a groundbreaking study, ravens demonstrated something remarkable: future planning. Researchers gave them a puzzle box and a special tool. The catch? The box was taken away for 15 minutes before being reintroduced. When given a choice between a tasty treat and the tool, the raven picked the tool, knowing it would need it later. That's foresight, a mental ability previously seen only in humans and great apes. Even more incredible, ravens cooperate. Two ravens will work together to pull ropes that release food, but only if both act simultaneously. If one slacks off, the other refuses to participate next time. They understand reciprocity. I'll help you if you help me. Across cultures, ravens have always fascinated humans. In Norse mythology, Odin had two ravens, Hugin and Munin, representing thought and memory. In Native American legends, the raven is a trickster, a creator, and a messenger between worlds. Perhaps ancient people sensed something we now confirm scientifically, that ravens are minds in feathers. So next time you see a raven gliding across the sky, remember, behind those black eyes lies a mind capable of planning, problem-solving, and even outsmarting us. They are not just birds. They are the problem-solving masters of the sky. If you enjoyed this journey into the intelligence of ravens, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more wonders of nature in our playlist, The Hidden Geniuses of the Wild.